Hi guys! Our hot topic is going to be on breast cancer, right? And specifically we're going to be talking about ways that you can modify some of your lifestyle habits to reduce your risk for getting breast cancer. First risk factor that you can modify in order to prevent breast cancer is keeping a healthy weight, right?
Easier said than done sometimes.
So our weight is actually intimately tied with estrogen. Even though our bodies make estrogen in and of themselves through the ovaries, there's also a secondary source of estrogen, which is actually our body fat. The more estrogen you're exposed to, the higher your risk for breast cancer. Okay, so the second thing that you can do in order to decrease your risk factors for breast cancer is exercising regularly.
Now back to our regularly scheduled program.
Women who exercise regularly actually have less circulating estrogen in their body, most likely because they also have less fat.
So the third thing that you can do to reduce your risk for breast cancer is sleeping more. Love you some sleep.
Yes.
So inadequate sleep is associated with increased weight gain, and it's thought to be due to increased levels of stress hormone, also known as cortisol.
Point number 4 is breastfeeding. Well, breastfeeding in and of itself is actually protective. Breastfeeding actually changes the actual tissue of the breast, or the fact that when you're breastfeeding, you're also delaying your menstrual cycle, therefore reducing your
lifetime risk of estrogen,
exactly,
like we talked about earlier. As a mother, I wholeheartedly advocate.
She has a lot of experience.
Breastfeeding. I mean, hey, it's nutritious and it's organic.
There is a significant relationship.
Yes.
Between how much alcohol you drink and your risk factors for breast cancer. It's undisputable. So as little as 3 drinks a week can really increase your risk.
There's a significant increase in your breast cancer risk in smoking, specifically right before your first menses or right before the birth of your first child.
And final risk factor that you have some control over in your fight against breast cancer is knowledge, right? So it's very important to know your family history. There might be a gene that's shared between the family members that's actually causing breast cancer. Yeah. So it's really important when you see your doctor,
to let them know about these things. Thank you for staying tuned. I hope you really enjoyed this educational lesson about your modifiable risk for breast cancer.
If you have any questions, feel free to email us or find us on Twitter or Facebook, and we'll address them for you, okay?
Absolutely.
Till next time, guys.
See you.
Bye.